It gives me great pleasure to be here today as we launch our first ever electric vehicle charger and the flagging of one of our heavy-duty double cabin electric vehicles. The newly installed charging station and acquisition of the two EVs represents a bold move and a bold investment of Kenya shillings 258 million for this financial year towards the adoption of e-mobility.
We look forward to e-mobility, one, helping us in improving the demand of the country by improving the nighttime demand. They will also be helping us in terms of knowing where they require supply and therefore having a very clear relationship with KPLC. We are able to coordinate with them so that they have seamless supply of energy for their use in EVs.
We have managed to start rolling out our infrastructure and fleet conversion. So the success of these double cabins are going to give way to conversion of about 600 vehicles within the fleet. In the next 10 years, we expect to find 80% of our fleet should actually have been converted to electric.